In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best electric wood chipper. So let's get started.
Hi, if you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 7. Sunjoe CJ601E. If you are looking for a chipper and leaf mulcher that can deal with anything under 1.5 inches and turns it into tiny pieces of mulch, this one could be for you. There are many great reasons why the Sunjoe CJ601E 14-amp electric wood chipper and shredder is a best-selling backyard appliance. First, it is among the most effective but inexpensive chippers in the industry. You've got to have realistic expectations, however. This is not an industrial chipper, therefore, you cannot uproot that rotted tree in your yard and anticipate this chipper to turn it directly into wood chips for your smoker. Nevertheless, it can make fast work of several of the smaller branches. Something larger than 1.5-inch diameter will need to go right into a firewood or kindling pile simply. Along with wood, this particular chipper can deal with leaves as well as yard trimmings, transforming them into nutrient-rich mulch for your backyard. Number 6. Win 41121. This 15-amp beast is going to turn your grass, brush, tree branches, and leaves into high-grade mulch in a few seconds. The machine is capable of 130 plus cuts a second, for a maximum of as much as 8,000 cuts per minute. Branches of up to 1.5 inches are easily shredded with this particular device. An internal security mechanism automatically shuts the device off or prevents it from operating whenever the hopper is overloaded or open. It's also simple to move around as it includes dual 6-inch wheels and a push stick. This small wood chipper is with onboard storage, a push stick, and a collection bag too. The company throws in a 2-year warranty too. This way, your investment is protected in the situation of factory defects. Number 5. MELLCOM 15-amp wood chipper. In case you're looking for a machine that is going to take proper care of your twigs, tree branches, bush trimming, and hedge trimmings, this might be the device for you. This device is driven by a 15-amp 800-watt 120V 60 Hz electrical belt-driven engine that gets the task done in conjunction with its high-end blade. It easily manages branches having a diameter of 1.57 inches. This chipper decreases branches down to a 1/16 of the initial size and is easy to go around your home because of its built-in wheels and lightweight body. Additionally, it shreds leaves into nutrient-rich mulch in a jiffy too. Furthermore, it hardly would make some noise disturbance in comparison to gas-powered tree mulchers and chippers. Safety is indeed a high priority for the producer of this particular product. Number 4. Worx WG430. If you only require a machine that is going to chew up dry leaves to become mulch, this particular product might be a great option for you. You might notice that the Worx 13-amp electric leaf mulcher appears a bit different from some other wood chippers, leaf grinder, and mulchers. That is since it is much more of a mulcher than a chipper. It can withstand several twigs, but branches are a little too tough because for this small garden device. Dry leaves get into the huge mouth on this device and turn out chopped to bits and create a great mulch for your compost heap, or even can be used around flower beds. The other distinction between this and other chippers in the marketplace may be the material utilized to chop up the bits of leaves you toss within the hopper. Number 3. Earthwise GS70015. The Earthwise GS70015 electric chipper/shredder comes with a well-built device with excellent features for swiftly clearing sticks and branches from your yard. The powerful product reduces branches as much as 1 3/4 inches thick, which can deal with several branches that fall or you prune from trees around your house. The broad-leaf chute simplifies placing leaves into the device, reducing the time required to complete a cleanup project. The safety features and long-lasting frame with wheels improve the value by having the device stable and safe while in operation, as well as enables you to roll it where you want it. What I love best about this particular chipper is the industrial plastic collection in which slips effortlessly in and from the bottom part framing. The size is ideal for holding a sufficient quantity of material, but when full is not very heavy to move and empty. The Earthwise chipper/shredder makes it to our list as a result of its versatility. This particular model is ideal for homeowners with a reasonable amount of shrubbery and trees on their property searching for an inexpensive tool to keep garden waste in check. Number 2. Patriot Products CSV2515. The Patriot Products CSV2515 electric wood chipper/leaf shredder comes to the rescue when it involves effective electric operation, which works with branches up to 2.5 inches thick. The maintenance-free engine, sharp blade, and then long-lasting flails chip or shred leaves and woods into consistent size material perfect for mulch, usage in wood smokers, and even as animal bedding. The big hopper can hold lots of foliage to keep the task going, while the release chute permits you to aim the debris to the area of your liking, or perhaps right into a collection bin. I approve of the motor and large wheels being lower the ground, which really makes it easy to move and also creates much better balance during use. Number 1. Landworks wood chipper. This electric corded wood chipper, tree shredder, and leaf mulcher was created with a sturdy polypropylene body and an efficient 15-amp 1800-watt 120 VAC 60 Hz electric belt-driven engine, effective at 1.57, 39 mm, maximum limb chipping capacity to 17:1 reduction with a speed of 100 RPMs. Unlike gasoline-operated chippers, this electrical wood chipper yields no smog and is more quiet and user and eco-friendly. Included are a pair of dual-edged blades that are reversible, offering longevity for extensive use. The sturdy polypropylene housing won't rust or dent and shields the rotor assembly, consisting of the 2 cutting blades for optimum chipping capability. Our wood chipper is outfitted with an overload protection switch and an easy start switch. Also provided is a supply cable of 13.7 and can be moved easily with the 2 6-inch wheels, delivering excellent portability. The kit also comes with a sturdy push paddle, which means you can easily feed material into the hopper.